What's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we're going to talk about a topic. Just stay tuned to find out. Before we get started in today's video, guys, make sure you guys are leaving that like. Please like the videos, please, guys. It really does help the channel grow. Also, subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. Posting a bunch of content recently. And also, don't forget to hit the bell so you can get notified every time I upload one of these videos. Alright, guys, so today's going to be a very quick little video for you. It's just a basic recap of what went down with the Marvel collab with Kith and ASIC, as well as some of the merch. So, guys, Kith did a collaboration with Marvel. It's an official branded collaboration that they did. Now, they also did a collab with ASICs. Now, this collaboration did release on Kith's website, as well as on the app. They had, you can enter in for the raffle. Now, apparently the raffle was the way to go, as well as being an exclusive access member really gave you the best chances to win. Now, I love Kith as a brand. I really do. I've been diving into Kith. They make premium quality products. I've done a review on some of their merch in the past with Disney, their collaboration with Disney last year. I did an unboxing on that thing and kind of showed you guys how they fit and stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, Kith overall as a brand, they are absolutely killing it nowadays. And they're just a really good quality brand. However, this release went south quick. Now, first off, their tiering system, right, is a very good program. I do like that program, how, it rewards users for buying stuff and you get points, and that way you can raise up your ranks. However, I'm still at the first tier, right? So I'm on Molecule, and I like the system because you can literally just go on Kith and purchase anything and you gain points. You get 2 times the points for any Kith branded item. So if it's like a collaboration, so if you buy like a New Balance times Kith or the Marvel collection by Kith, you're gonna get 2 times the points because it's an official Kith collaboration, as opposed to buying just like any sneaker off the website. It is kind of hard to build up points, right? Like, I don't just want to buy necessarily just Kith items on the website. They make very good merchandise, very good, items and stuff like that. I don't have any problem with repping just a Kith clothing, but I love the collaborations. And this Marvel collab, I'm a huge Marvel fan, and a lot of people are, right? Like, Marvel is huge. And I honestly wasn't even big into the sneakers. I know this is a sneaker channel, it might surprise you, but I'm not a huge fan of the ASICs. I love the New Balance runners that have been, I've been getting into recently. Been posting a lot of New Balance content on the channel, but I just haven't dove into ASICs. And maybe I'm behind the curve or the 8 ball, but I just don't really see necessarily the hype on it. I could be wrong, maybe I need to give it a shot. But I also thought it was pretty expensive, this collaboration, considering some of I get you were getting 2 pairs of shoes, but the bundle packages with this collab, I mean, the Venom and the Spider-Man one, you're spending I believe it was $320 just to get that one pack. So I wasn't in it for the shoes. And it seemed like those who had exclusive access, you were able to cop fairly easily. They didn't sell out, right? On the actual release, you couldn't buy anything because they literally loaded up, sold out. So here's my thought and opinion on that process, right? Is sure, reward your members. There's a tier program for a reason. You want to reward those who purchase with your brand. I completely agree with that, and I love that concept. Then it comes to the raffle. Seemed like some people had success with the raffle, entering in for whatever shoe you guys wanted. Seemed like there was a lot of W's as well for the raffle, sure. Now, the casual person, and maybe they should have entered the raffle, right? But a lot of people aren't in. Maybe it's just a casual guy who's like, oh man, that's a cool Marvel collab. I want to go purchase that. They know the date. Good. Maybe they're not invested into all these raffle systems that sneakerheads have to do these days. You have an official drop date, and then they load up sold out. I don't know if that's, the way to go. And like I said, I appreciate the tiering system. However, if you're just going to load up a product as sold out, you're not really grabbing the attention of new buyers and new customers, right? You're rewarding those that shop with the brand, but you're kind of excluding those who are new to your brand. So apparently that was a complete disaster. Nobody was able to really get anything on release day itself. And if you struck out on the raffle and you weren't the highest tier, then you had no shot at this collaboration at all. And the same goes for the merch, because I was so excited for this merch drop. I really wanted a bunch of these shirts. I think I had like 4 or 5 t-shirts in my cart. I actually wanted one of the clocks as well. The Doctor Doom clock was sick. Throw an image up right now. That thing was awesome, off the charts. I also tried going for a poster as well, because the posters were kind of cheap. They were like 25, 35 bucks. And they were, pretty good quality. So I wanted a poster as well. Struck out on the poster. And these t-shirts, the box t-shirts, the box logo t-shirts themselves, will throw some images up. They were crushing it for this collaboration. Really, really dope. A lot of them had to do with the box logo being manipulated, right? So the one I really wanted was the Green Goblin one, the one with the pumpkins, and they were kind of like exploding the Kith logo on the front, as well as it had the Green Goblin on the back. That's the one I was really after. Struck out on it. I had no success. And like I said, it seemed like those who had exclusive access, early access to try to cop some t-shirts, they were able to get pretty much what they wanted. But then when it came to drop time, the actual release, there was no raffle, by the way, for the t-shirts, which I wish they would have done. I feel like it would have gave a lot more people a successful chance of purchasing. So I'm not sure why they didn't do a raffle for any of the t-shirts. That's a missed opportunity in my opinion. And then when it came to drop time, your boy was on it, okay? These things dropped at 11 a.m. Eastern, and your boy was on there refreshing, right? I was on the app, I was on my computer, on my desktop, boom, 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 boom. I just wanted to see where I can get the fastest queue time. So I went on mobile, I went on the desktop, boom, we're set to go. I'm refreshing at 11, got in there 11:01. Here it comes, right? You add all your stuff to the cart. Now you're in the cart. Awesome, got everything in my cart. Here comes the estimated queue time. All right, we're waiting, calculating estimated wait time. All right, let's see what we get. I got 27-minute queue time at 11:01. 1 minute after these things officially released. I'm sure people didn't even have everything that they wanted in their carts by 11:01. And I got a 27-minute queue time. Now, to me, that's kind of crazy. I mean, if I'm in there within a minute of the drop and I had, a good amount of stuff in my cart, I should be rewarded for kind of adding everything quickly and getting in there within that minute time frame. Like, yeah, I'm gonna be honest, right? Like, if somebody's entering the drop at 11:05, or 11:10, 11:15, they don't have a shot, right? You need to be on these drops early, and I was. Now, this is everybody, and it's not just me. So many people got long queue times, and this is what ended up happening. I'm in the queue. I got all the way down. Everything was available. Every single item that I had in my cart was available for me. I get it from 27 minutes all the way down to less than a minute wait time. I'm hyped. I'm so pumped up. I'm like, oh my God, everything's still available. I'm about to actually check out this stuff. It's been 27 minutes. How is everything still available? It goes from less than a minute to now, again, calculating wait time. I go, oh no, don't re-queue me. Whatever you do, do not re-queue me. What does it do? It re-queued me. Now, what was my new time? I got another new time of 32 minutes. 32 minutes. How am I sitting there from 11:01 down 27 minutes, less than a minute, and then I go 32 minutes, and as soon as it hit the new wait time of 32 minutes, everything started selling out. I'm like, I sat here for 27 minutes, guys. Like, you're telling me, that's that's literally impossible. Now, when that happened, I then went back to my phone because my phone went black. I wasn't really paying attention to it because initially I had a shorter queue time on my computer than I did on the phone, so I wasn't paying attention to it. That also re-queued. So both of my devices re-queued. On my phone, however, I closed out of my cart, and I actually went in and I deleted everything out of my cart. I added a couple t-shirts, and I only had like a 5-minute queue all of a sudden. So you're telling me The whole time of me sitting in this queue for 27 minutes, all I had to do was close stuff out of my cart, go back on the official homepage and add some stuff and just hope my queue was faster, because it ended up working. So this whole thing was a complete disaster. I ended up only copying one t-shirt because even that 5 minutes on my phone, stuff started selling out. So I was like, you know what? There's one thing available at the time. I'm just going to cop it. This is what I ended up copying. But ladies and gentlemen, this drop was a disaster. So I haven't even opened this thing, so you can get my full reaction. I just took it out of the bag. But I ended up copying one shirt. It seemed like this was not a limited shirt. I mean, the bigger sizes did sell out. Your boy's a big guy, so I'm a 2X. So this thing did not sell out. But here it is. It's just the Marvel Kith, collaboration here. It's the Marvel Comics t-shirt. I do still like the t-shirt. It just wasn't my first choice. Obviously, I really wanted some of those box logo tees. Now, I do know that apparently in store, some of the Kith stores, like the one in New York, they had a ton of shirts available for in store. So if you guys live near any of the Kith locations, luckily for you, if you did go on the release day, you should have been actually able to cop a decent amount of stuff that was just sitting there. But here's the shirt. Let me check it out myself. I haven't even looked at it yet. Again, nice quality t-shirt. Again, Kith does quality t-shirt, but this is the more simple one, which I like. There's nothing on the back of this one. So this is the plain one. It just has the Marvel Comics. And this one didn't even have a big Kith branding. It just says it on the bottom here. It just has Marvel in collaboration with Kith. So let me show you this on the screen. I don't know if you'll be able to see it that great, but there it is. Marvel in collaboration with Kith right there. That's the only Kith branding that you will see when you wear this shirt. Other than that, there is a Kith and Marvel tag on the tongue right here. So there's the tongue right there. And then on, it does come with this too. So same thing as the Disney. I do appreciate these. It's like a rubberized coating, really premium feeling little, paper cards here. So it is pretty cool. I do like this. It says Marvel Kith with the little logos right there. So that is actually really nice. I do like that. Again, attention to detail. This is like a waxed almost yarn. So that's actually pretty cool too. It's just the attention to detail is phenomenal. And that's why I wanted more of these shirts. But here is the shirt itself. The Marvel Comics shirt in that red and yellow. Hoping you guys can see that on the screen. It is a really nice shirt. I do like this shirt a lot. Happy I was actually able to cop something at least. Granted, it's not everything that I wanted, obviously, but nice shirt nonetheless. So I will be keeping that shirt. We'll be wearing that shirt. I just wish that this release would have went smoother because just didn't. It didn't go smooth, but let me know if you guys were actually able to cop anything from this release. Were you able to get any of the sneakers? And were you able to cop any of the merch? Because I was only able to get one item. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys are liking it by smashing that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. Hit the post notification bell so you're going to get notified every time I upload a video. And also, please share the video, guys. Share the video. It does really help me out as, a ton as well. So share it on your social medias. Get my name out there. Let's get this channel booming. And with all of that rant being done, my name is Dylan. You guys just chilled with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.